Hey everyone, want to install the Mega Desktop app on your computer? In this video, I'll show you how to install Mega step by step. Yeah, the desktop app makes it easier to sync files, upload data, and manage your cloud storage directly from your computer. First, open your web browser and visit the official Mega website. Make sure you download the desktop application from the official source to get the latest and safest version. Next, go to the Download section and choose the Mega Desktop app version that matches your operating system. Select the correct option for Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. After the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and locate the Mega installer file. Double-click the installer to begin the setup process. If your computer asks for permission to make changes, click Yes or Allow to continue. This step allows the installer to add the application to your device. Now follow the installation wizard, review the setup options, choose the installation location if needed, and continue with the default settings for a standard installation. Click the Install button and wait while Mega is installed on your computer. The process usually takes only a few moments depending on your device speed. Once the installation is finished, click Finish and open the Mega Desktop app. Sign in with your Mega account to start syncing and managing your files. During the first setup, you can choose sync folders and adjust your preferences based on how you want Mega to work on your computer. And that's how you install the Mega Desktop app. With the app installed, you can easily access your cloud files, sync folders, and manage your Mega storage from your desktop. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.